In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos to Google Drive from Android. So irrespective of your Android phone, once you have the Google Drive application installed and you sign into your Google account on your device, you will be able to upload your photos directly from your Android phone to the Google Drive account. So if I know this video, if you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first one to do is go to the app screen or app menu and search for Drive or Google Drive. Once you see that, click on this first option. This is Google Drive. Then click on that. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to sign into the Google Drive application if you have not already done that. Once you're on the Drive page, click on this plus icon. There you go. Then you should see various options available here. This include folder, upload and scan, Google Doc, Google Sheets, and Google Slide. Now click on upload. Here, you'll be prompted to grant access to the Google Drive application to access your Android phone gallery. Then click on this menu option here and then select where the photo you want to upload to the Google Drive is located. In this case, I'll pick gallery. Go ahead and click that. Then locate the picture you want to upload to your Google Drive on your gallery page. So let's say any of this picture, just make sure you select the pictures just like this. And once you're done, you see the number here. You can select a maximum of 500 photos at once to upload from your Android phone to your Google Drive account. Then click on the done button. Once you hit the number, you see preparing to upload X number of files. Your 6 files have been uploaded. Now you just need to hang on for a couple of minutes for these files to be uploaded. Then once the files are uploaded, then you should see the file as latest here. If your device is sorted by the latest, then if you choose to click this, then the file will open. So this is exactly the file we uploaded from our Android phone to Google Drive. So you can do this to upload up to 500 photos to Google Drive from your Android phone once. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.